All you need is a pot lid to clean your car's upholstery. You've probably never tried such a simple trick. With it, you can freshen up your car's interior quickly and without spending money. Grab a large bowl, add a laundry detergent pod. The ingredients will help remove dirt and leave the upholstery smelling fresh. Pour in warm water. Wait for the pod to dissolve completely and mix it well to create a soapy foam. Take a small cloth and soak it in the mixture. Wring out the excess water thoroughly so it's just damp. Clean the car in sections. Lay the cloth over the upholstery. Place the pot lid on top. It's the key to this trick. Fold the edges of the cloth toward the center and grip them with the lid's handle so it stays tight. Clean the upholstery using circular motions, moving the lid across the surface. If the cloth dries out, simply soak it again and repeat on other areas. Your upholstery will look and smell fresh, giving your car a showroom feel. You'll save money on expensive cleaning at car washes and detailing services. 4 hidden key fob functions. Super useful, but hardly anyone knows about them. Turns out, your car key has features that can really make life easier. Even though there are usually only a few buttons, the right combinations unlock secret functions. The first is a lifesaver on hot days. When your parked car heats up fast, your key can help cool it down without even turning on the AC. A few minutes before getting in, just press and hold the unlock button for a few seconds. The windows should roll down, letting the car air out. No more climbing into a sweltering cabin. The second hidden feature is perfect for the forgetful. If you've ever lost your car in a crowded parking lot, this one's for you. Just hold down a specific button on your key fob to activate the vehicle locator. The lights will flash and the horn will sound, guiding you right to your car. Super useful and a big time saver. Yet most people forget it exists, just like they forget where they parked. You can also use your key to fold in the side mirrors remotely, which is great when parking in tight city spots. If you're worried about someone hitting your mirrors, check your car settings. Some models fold them automatically when locked, others need this option enabled manually. The function is often hidden behind a button combo, so dig into your car's settings. You might have it without knowing. Lastly, ever struggle with a full load of shopping bags and no free hand to open the trunk? There's a hidden feature for that too. Your key fob likely has a button for the trunk. Pressing it twice or holding it for a few seconds will pop it open on its own. This little trick can save you a lot of hassle. Most people have no idea their car is even capable of doing this. A white towel hanging on a car's side mirror is a very important signal for you. It's not a decoration or a random item. This small detail carries a hidden meaning. It's a simple but effective way to inform other drivers of something important. That's why you should always have such a towel in your car, especially when planning a longer trip. In the United States, hanging a white towel or piece of cloth on a car mirror is a well-known signal. Drivers use this simple method to indicate that the vehicle has been immobilized due to a breakdown, and they've left to seek help. This signal conveys 2 crucial messages. First, that no one in the car needs emergency assistance, and second, that the vehicle has not been abandoned. It's also a clear sign for law enforcement not to tow the car. The owner intends to return. So if you see such a towel, know that the driver needs time to get help and hasn't left the car unattended. Be cautious and respectful of the signal. The paper trick is one of the simplest and most effective methods used by thieves. It involves placing a piece of paper on the rear window of a car, most often under the wiper. The driver usually notices it only when pulling out. The natural reaction is to stop, get out of the car, and remove the paper. At that very moment, the thief has an easy opportunity. They can quickly get into the car or grab valuable items inside, such as a phone, laptop, or handbag. Statistics show that items from the interior are stolen more often than entire cars. The whole trick has just one goal: to make the driver leave the vehicle. Although the method may seem simple and harmless, the consequences can be very costly. and the thief is usually long gone before the owner realizes what happened. That's why it is important to be aware of such tactics and remain cautious. The easiest safety rule is to ignore the paper. If you see something unusual on your rear window, drive to a safe place first and only then remove it. I always have a fork and some foam in my car. It may seem strange, but thanks to this, my grandparents are very grateful for how I help them. Let me show you how it works. Start by taking a regular fork and sticking it into the area near the car door hinge. Then bend the fork in the opposite direction so that it has the right shape and fits the spot. Take a piece of foam. My foam is a bit too long, so I need to trim it to the right length. Once the foam is the correct size, place it inside the fork to create a stable base. Now it's time for cable ties. Secure everything tightly so that the fork and foam are firm and stay in place. After this step, the whole setup will be stable and ready to use. Your holder is ready. Now you can rest easy because everything is securely fixed. Your grandparents will be proud. Now you have your own homemade holder that will come in handy in any situation. What's more, it only takes a moment, and the results are truly surprising. This simple trick completely transformed my car. Take a regular tampon and spray it with your favorite perfume. Hang it on the rearview mirror or tie it to the gear shift. The tampon absorbs the scent and releases it slowly, filling the car with a pleasant, fresh fragrance. Easy and inexpensive. A mechanic told me to put this into vinegar and leave it in the car. This trick worked amazingly in just one night. Vinegar absorbs odors well and helps neutralize unpleasant smells in closed spaces. Cinnamon has a strong, pleasant scent and helps freshen the air. When combined with vinegar, it works like a natural car air freshener. The next ingredient is essential oil. Add a few drops of your favorite oil to the vinegar. Now take some cloves. They have a strong, spicy scent and are often used to neutralize unpleasant odors. Add a handful of cloves to the bottle. This mixture works like a homemade air freshener for your car and gradually absorbs bad smells. Place the bottle where you usually keep drinks in the car. In just one night, it can remove unpleasant odors from the car. It is a simple, natural car air freshener that lets you stop buying expensive ones. Place a razor blade against the side edge of the door, gently sliding it in near the latch. Do the same from the bottom, so the blade is positioned in the lower section as well. Take a piece of regular tape and secure the blade so it doesn't move during use. This prevents the latch from sticking and allows the door to open and close much more smoothly.